What'd you get, B?
I don't know. A sampler of everything from Bali.
What'd you get, TJ?
This is something wrapped in banana leaf, some chicken maybe, and then there's some curry coming. Not sure.
I got Diet Coke.
Sarah and I are living that curry life.
Wait, big reveal. Big reveal. There, that's what's in there. All sorts of goodness.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Well, I guess that's pretty high.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, go!
Silence.
Nó chảy thì cứ cái nó ideal.
Are you going backwards now?
Okay, just stand up first.
I don't know. I'm gonna fall off.
No, fall. Just lie down.
Just lie down.
Yeah. 2, go! Okay, release your hand. It's fine.
Release my hand.
Yeah, just lay down. Lay down your
Just lay down.
Yeah.
Ready, V?
Ready.
World-class technology here.
Yeah. Vice grips.
Go!
We are going to some rice terraces that are apparently several thousand years old. It's definitely like a tourist hotspot right now. Ready to get your rice terrace on?
Yep.
And some rice?
Yes. Yes.
They have those things here too.
Cool. I want to lounge this.
Well, that doesn't feel like the most stable.
This doesn't feel stable at all.
These are pretty hefty steps. I was realizing I don't know anything about the process of a rice terrace and a rice field and what happens on these fields that produces rice. I don't know if rice is a root, if it comes in chunks. So maybe I'll learn something today. Like, what exactly is under the ground there?
You did donate.
Look, take another. Oh.
Can you take a couple?
Yep. Yeah.
How do you make
Make
rice?
rice from there.
Well, yeah.
I planting,
Yeah.
What is this?
planting and then growing. And this
Yeah.
white rice,
This and this make this.
4 months growing. And this one
Brown and
red,
make
1 year 2 time, 1 year 3 time. White rice. I planting baby rice, the new one I dry.
New rice.
This
Yeah,
comes to
and
that.
this what is ready cooking.
What does it look like when you take it out of the ground?
I cutting. No, rice not in the bottom. It's in this rice.
Look, there it is, Tom.
Oh, it's too bright.
The Rosetta Stone.
Hey. Thank
This
you.
is-
you.
This rice, the brown color, I planting, and this baby rice, and that's the baby, the old 2 months. This,
These are all baby?
the new.
In time, they'll look like this stuff?
Yeah, and that's the already from there, from the field. This the brown color.
How do you do this for all the rice? Take the husk off.
Iron machine,
Okay.
you know. No manual. In Bali, maybe 10 year ago, for the stick, I have box from the wood. I bring the box, and then I have stick for the bamboo.
Ah, okay.
The traditional. And now, because technology, the best technology, and people Balinese have machine, iron machine.
Okay. Brown rice. Yeah.
Oh, make the
See?
natural color.
Yeah.
The same. And the skin.
It's 5,000.
Coconut.
5.
Video.
Take a picture. Take a picture. It's a young coconut. It's not
A
very
young one?
sweet.
Not as sweet?